A dream saw in 1971-72 of Asia's biggest cement plant with most modern technology available became true after Dalla expansion project with the foundation stone laid by former Prime Minister of India Srimati Indira Gandhi ji in 1974. This plant has helped in building one of the jewels of independent India as Rihand Dam, but lack of technological upgradation and various management failure being declared Dalla Cement Factory a sick unit by Honorable High Court, followed by wound up of the company in 1999, which rendered nearly 6,000 employees jobless. As a result, workers suffered the worst due to postponed marriages of their children, interruption in their education and death due to starvation and diseases for almost 10 to 12 years. In 2006, Jaiprakash Associates takes over the company through global bidding by Honorable High Court and started first kiln K4 of 0.5 MTPA in 2008 after rehabilitation of the company. In this very short span of time, we have not only rehabilitated an old plant but also installed and commissioned a new modernized unit kiln K5 of 1.5 MTPA in 2009 and rejuvenate the life of the region and uplifting the socio-economic status of the society living nearby areas. Continue with Golden JP value led to achieve Dalla Cement Factory a national recognition within the 3 years. Approach road leading towards entrance of captive limestone mines of Dalla Cement Factory. Now we have entered Billi Markunde Julgul limestone mines. Renovated Shiva temple located near mines office. Teak tree plantation by MEMCW inspection team members during last 2 years. Now we are seeing haulage road having plantation on both sides. Panoramic view of Billi Markunde Julgul mines surrounded with green belt all around. This is our Annapurna complex having boarding and lodging facilities for workers. Dust separation by water sprinkling on whole road. This is the bottom bench having water harvesting for maintaining water table in surrounding area. Waste dump management having proper benching with garland drain and toe wall. View of our mechanized mine in action showing all benches with geological outcrops, drilling machine, rock breakers, water tankers, excavators and dumpers. A well-equipped hospital having free medical treatment facilities to all workmen, habitants of nearby villages. Mobile medical van inaugurated last year by ROMOEF catering to the treatment of nearby villages located in our vicinity. An educational complex run by JP Associate Dalla having primary school, intermediate college and an ITI. Current year slogan posters and essay writing competition in progress at our Jai Jyoti Intermediate School. Towards our social commitment, we regularly carried out CSR activities like vaccination camp, deployment of drinking water, distribution of uniform and study materials to students, distribution of saris, cycles, blankets and food grains to habitants of nearby villages.
अंधकार हमारे शब्दकोश में नहीं है। गौर से देखो, हर पन्ने पे जुनून लिखा है।
JP Group first F1 circuit in the country.
JP Infratech का यमुना एक्सप्रेसवे जो मिला रहा है सपनों को सच्चाई से। JP Infratech
सेलिब्रेशन होने जा रहा है JP IFA Awards 2012 के जरिए।
जयप्रकाश पावर वेंचर्स लिमिटेड, देश को जगमगाने का जुनून।
जिंदगी का अटूट हिस्सा है ये दीवारें, इन्हें मजबूत बनाए रखिए। JP सीमेंट
बड़े से बड़ा काम कुछ ऐसे ही आसानी से कर जाते हैं। हम हैं JP ग्रुप।